going on YouTube? It's your girl Barry Jane, and I am back once again with another YouTube video. So if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. I had did a poll on Instagram, asked you guys what makeup tutorials you guys want to see today, and you guys asked for a spring beat versus a natural beat. Of course you guys picked spring because, as y'all could see from the caption, I did just that. If you guys are interested in seeing this video, please stay tuned, but do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Peace. Okay you guys, so what's up again? But basically I did like a poll on Instagram. If you guys are not following me on social media, you probably didn't interact with the poll, whatever. But I did a poll on Instagram asking you guys what y'all want to see, another spring look or a natural glam. And as y'all know, right here, spring won. Everybody wants to see another spring look, so I decided to just do just that. Now I have to do my eyebrows. I decided to do a little bit long. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm gonna definitely speed up the process of doing my eyebrows because y'all think I'm joking. I'm not going to do y'all always say I love your eyebrows, I love your eyebrows, but I'm not doing a eyebrow tutorial until you guys ask for one. You know, I got a few, but I'm looking for like 10 and beyond, and that's when I'm gonna do an eyebrow tutorial. So I'm basically going to just speed up this part. I am going to be using both Juvia's Place in the shade 10 and Anastasia Beverly Hills Brown Wiz pencil in the color dark brown. And I'm gonna just drag my concealer down at the same time because I don't want the light base that I'm going to be using for my eyeshadow to be cupped up underneath my eyebrows. Okay, so now I'm going to take my lovely pretty Vulgar concealer in the color H5 and also place that on top of my eyelids. And I'm gonna just set that with my Lauder Mercier translucent powder. Okay guys, so I don't know what I'm gonna do to the eyes, but I know spring is full of yellows, orange, pinks, blues, greens. It's just a bunch of colors. So I had to pull out the OG palette. Y'all already know this palette. Me and this palette go way back. Take Me Back to Brazil's by Cosmetics. It's full of amazing colors. As y'all can see, I use a lot of purple, a lot of orange. This bad boy was my favorite palette of all times. But on the other hand, I do have another palette that has multiple colors as well, and it's the James Charles palette. It's full of nice beautiful colors too, but this the BH Cosmetics is more on the brighter side, so that's why I'm trying to hold it with two hands. Wait. Okay, so as y'all can see, compared to the two, this one, which is the BH Cosmetic one, is full of more vibrant colors than the James Charles palette. So I don't know which one I'm gonna use. I think I'm gonna stick to using my BH Cosmetics palette, but if I do need like a color from here, I would just dig up in here and get a color. I'm gonna start off with this pink right here in the palette, which is this bright pink on the top row of the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm gonna just pack that color onto the outer corner of both of my eyes. So before I actually start blending out, I'm gonna focus on building that pink up. because you guys asked for a simple look. So I'm not gonna do something so extra. I'm gonna do something that you guys could definitely achieve, because pictures is starting to become a thing because of COVID. So I know you guys want to just take some nice pictures, do an easy eyeshadow look, and go about your day. So I'm gonna do something really simple to do just that. Okay, so this is how that pink is looking on the outer corner of my eyes. I'm gonna switch my brush, but still keep this brush because this brush is gonna come in handy later. Now I'm gonna take another brush and I'm going to start packing on this. Should I pack on orange, y'all, or should I pack on green? I think I'm gonna pack on orange. And I'm gonna take this orange right here, which you guys can clearly see that I use a lot. Like between the colors that you're packing on, you want to just take it and go like that so that it could look like a little ombre effect, rather than just packing it on and then it just look like it's just been placed there. Now I'm going to take another brush and we're going to focus on building that yellow. Yellow is so hard to build on, you guys. I don't know if it's just me, but it'd be so hard to build on. So that's why I kind of want to use a different color. But we're going to just go give it a try. And I'm going to be using this yellow right at the top of the Taking Back to Brazil palette. Okay, you guys, so that pink brush that we used to pack on that pink, I'm gonna use that extra stuff, just the extra eyeshadow that's on there, just to kind of smooth out that orange at the top, just like that. Not gonna do too much, we're just gonna use that to just blend it together. So that brush that I used in the beginning to do my eyebrows, I'm going to use that just to sharpen up my, you know, my eyeshadows. I don't want it to be like this, so I'm going to just fix it a little bit. So look, y'all, simple. Y'all wanted a simple spring look, and I gave y'all a simple spring look. Nice, playful. Y'all could take some nice photos with this, but I'm a little bit extra, and this is cute, but it's a little bit too plain for me, so I kind of want to add a little blue wing. This is optional. You could just go on, y'all, and finish doing your face and everything like that, but me, Like I said, I'm a little bit extra, so I'm gonna add a blue wing here to the eyes. Something small, not too big, not too bold, because I don't want to cover up the colors that I have going on here. So I'm using this wing liner from NYX. It cost me like $1, and this is like a nice blue. I always wanted to use it, so this is kind of giving me an excuse to use it. So I'm gonna just do a nice simple line. She's a little thick right now. Go ahead and do this look, this eye off camera, and also put on my eyelashes, and then I'm gonna be right back with finishing up the video with my foundation routine and everything like that. Okay, you guys, so this is how we looking with the blue, all the colors, eyelashes is on. Right here got me looking a little weird because of the yellow. Like, you know, you add bright colors in a certain spot, it makes your eyes look smaller, your face look squished. So I'm hoping once I contour and everything like that, it will look a little bit better. But I'm kind of feeling it though. Like, I'm looking in my mirror, I'm liking the eyes. It's super cute, simple for y'all to do. So yeah, I'm gonna start with priming my face, and I'm going to be using Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Okay, bam. Now I'm gonna go into using my foundation, and I'm going to be using my Este Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the color 6N2. Take my beauty blender and also blend in my foundation. I'm gonna go into using this concealer, which is by Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Maple. Gonna start contouring my face with my Anastasia Beverly Hair Contour Stick in the color Earth. Now I'm gonna set underneath my eyes with my Lauder Mercier once again. Okay, y'all, so now it's time to blend out these contour. Okay, y'all, so we're not completely finished with the face, but we got the major parts out the way, which was the foundation, everything like that. So now we are not gonna stay looking ashy like this. I'm gonna go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth, and this is in the color 60. And I'm just gonna basically blend everything together, also sweeping away that Lauder Mercier powder. Now I'm gonna spray my face with my e.l.f. setting spray. Okay, you guys, so this is how we looking. I'm loving the look. Actually, it's turned out pretty cute. I know it's gonna turn out pretty cute, but it's just like I wasn't really feeling it. My hair looks really crazy. I'm gonna fix that once I finish up with everything here. I'm gonna give my eyebrows a little brush because when doing your makeup, your foundation and stuff, it kind of like matte down a little bit, and I want it to look a little bushy. Okay, guys, so before I even like go into finishing up my lips, something crossed my mind and I kind of want to do it. Hopefully it don't mess up the eye look. So basically, I know how I always do my fox eye. Whatever makeup I'm doing, I like to do a fox eye. It just brings out my eyes at least. So I'm gonna take that blue and try to do a fox eye. Hopefully it come out cute, y'all, but we're gonna give it a try. I'm gonna move my mirror a little bit closer. Whatever, y'all, it look kind of cute. Yeah, it looks cute. I'm liking it, period. So I'm gonna just put on a little bit of lip gloss and wrap up this video, fix my hair. Ooh. Let me do my hair, y'all. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Y'all asked for a simple spring look, so I gave it to y'all. I know I added a little bit of touches that you guys probably thought was a little extra, but y'all know me. If y'all was subscribed to the channel, been subscribed, y'all know me. I'm a little extra with everything I do. So without further ado, peace.